I'm here on Via dei Coronari. So Via dei Coronari is named after the Coronari, who were sellers of rosary and other religious items to pilgrims who made their way down this route to St. Peter's Basilica. So Via dei Coronari flourished during the Renaissance when noble families and wealthy bankers built their townhomes all along its length. The architecture on this street is a rare blend of Gothic and Renaissance. Today, Via dei Coronari is known for its art galleries, antique shops, and great restaurants. You might want to come at night though, it's a little more lively. You might also recognize Via dei Coronari from such movies as Roman Holiday and Angels and Demons. I hope you enjoyed your walk down Via dei Coronari.